this just seems to be the year of the thumb injury for motocross racing. Obviously, over here, we've got Cooper Webb and Eli Tomac out. And over in the MXGP side of things, that guy right there, Romain Febvre, also has one, which will cost him the next few rounds. Obviously, not a good time of the year to do it. In the last 6 of 7 rounds, he was on the podium. But last week in what was it? In the French GP or France, whatever you want to call it. He injured his thumb in a practice practice crash, whatever you want to call it. And apparently there is ruptured and torn ligaments, inflammation, and bruising to the bone, which obviously is not very good. Between the French round and was it what was next? The German round. That's right. Yeah, French and German rounds. Not enough time to heal, and he actually did race in the German round, so at least he raced in the qualifying race and then was forced to retire from the first GP because of the pain. And he had a quote, or has a quote out saying, quote, again, quote, "It's tough to have an injury at any time of the season, but this is especially difficult. It's not a bone injury as such, and there's no way to shortcut the recovery time. It could happen to anyone. It's just a shame it happened to me." Obviously, your hands are very important in motocross. Sitting there holding onto the bars and controlling the bike is probably one of the more important things, I would say. So if you have a torn ligaments and ruptured ligaments in your thumb and your hand, you're going to have a very weak side, which means even if you are going to race, the other side has to compensate for everything, which is going to give you arm pump, make you tired quicker, or your legs are going to have to work harder. And you just have that extra little thing of like you hit a bump wrong and you crash harder. It could be another injury or bigger injury. Uh, it does suck. The Kawasaki team manager did say, quote, "We feel extremely sorry for Roman, considering how well the season and championship battle were developing with 6 podiums in 7 races and a clear contender for the title. When no one remembers how his strongest part of the season only started from Indonesia last year, we were awaiting a decisive battle into the end. Nevertheless, we are very proud of our rider and how bravely he tried to keep the dream alive, defying the injury to almost win the French GP and finish third in the qualifying race in Germany. Jeremy C. will continue his consistent success. Also wishes a rapid recovery to his teammate." Blah 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 blah. So it sucks. I mean, obviously, you never want to see people get injured, especially guys racing for the championship. I mean, obviously, never want to see anybody injured, but somebody up front who has a chance to win a title is even worse. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments below. Do you watch MXGP? Obviously, a lot of this viewership, fan base, whatever you want to call it, for at least my channel is American motocross. The demographics say that very much, but it's the same thing. And personally, I like MXGP. I like seeing tracks from around the world and all the big names over there. But I don't know. Comment down below. Do you watch it? Do you care? Are you interested in it? Are you going to start watching it? Or whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me, do you like, no, we already had churros. Tell me what do you like on your hamburger? Are you doing cheese, bacon, whatever? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.